Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix repair loop in League of Legends, how you can fix when it keeps repairing it. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. First thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your task manager. And on task manager you want to find all of the tasks related to League of Legends, so that would be all of the League of Legends here, processes, and Riot client. So you want to close all of them. If you will find any here, make sure to just check it and end the task. Once you will do that, you want to find your League of Legends file, or maybe it is somewhere else. You want to go ahead and right click on it, go to properties, go to compatibility, and make sure that run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8 is unchecked, because this is usually the problem. Now you want to check disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator. Then you're gonna click apply and OK. And once you will open up your League of Legends, the problem should be fixed. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.